Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix Uploaded. This is English and we're looking at reading and viewing. And there are going to be two focuses on the dictionary and the thesaurus and on idioms, proverbs and sayings. But we're going to start with the dictionary. You've probably been looking at dictionaries since primary school, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. And dictionaries are really important. It's important that you're comfortable with a dictionary and that you know how to use it. Obviously, there are two main areas that we look at. The dictionary helps you with vocabulary development, but there's also a lot of other information in a dictionary. So, what kind of dictionaries can we get? The first one is a bilingual dictionary, and it's important if you are studying English as a second or third or fourth language. You absolutely need a bilingual dictionary where you can look up a word in English and get a mother tongue word. Or on the other side, you can look up a mother tongue word and get an English word. You need to find out what is available and get yourself a good dictionary. But there's more to it than that. There's also something that we call explanatory dictionaries. That's when you look up a word and you get an explanation in the language that you want. So let us say that there's a word that you don't understand in English. You look that up and get a mother tongue word. Then you've got a dictionary in which you look up the mother tongue word and get a long explanation in mother tongue. Now the problem is that there's not a whole lot of dictionaries that do that in this country. So we need to push for detailed explanatory dictionaries. You've seen them for English from when you were little. You've got a grade 4 dictionary where you can look up a word and get an explanation that a grade 4 can understand, right up to very difficult and sophisticated dictionaries. We need more of those for everybody in everybody's language. Once again, if you're working with English as a second or third or fourth language, try to get an explanatory dictionary, which will obviously be in English, but at the level that you can understand. So don't go for a dictionary where the explanation is so difficult, you still don't know what the word means. The documents from the department also ask for you to have a personal dictionary. Now this is just a little wire-bound notebook that you can pop into a pocket, and you can pull it out and write down words, not only in your English lessons, but in all your subjects, the words that you need to know. And then you can look them up and you can learn them. So do focus on different kinds of dictionary. How are dictionaries arranged? Dictionaries are arranged in alphabetical order. In other words, they're arranged according to the alphabetical position of each word, of each letter in the word. Here are examples. You've got the word persuade. You've also got persuader, persuasion, persuasive. Now, if you look at the endings, that's where the slight differences occur. And again, you need to look at where these would appear in the alphabet. And so you will find those words still in alphabetical order. If you have to look up a word like persuading or persuaded, you're not likely to find that as the first word in the dictionary under persuade. You're going to find persuade. So you need to say to yourself, if I don't know persuading, I need to chop off that ending. It's probably persuade, and that's what I need to look up. And I had that recently with my grade 8s who wanted to look up a particular word, but weren't sure what to look up in the dictionary. So you need to say to yourself, persuaded, persuading, chop off the end and then look up the word. You need to know what guide words are. So if you look at this is a possible page from a dictionary. you've got these words at the top of the page that are in bold, and we call them guide words. What does it tell you? It tells you that the first word on that page will be that, and the last word on the page will be that. So if the word that you're looking up doesn't come between FLATTENED and FLEX, then you've either got to look at the next page or you must look at the page before it. Let's look at another example. Once again, here are your guide words. What are you expecting? That this is the first word on the page and that is the last word on the page. So once again, you're looking, does my word come between GOODB and GOSSI? If it doesn't, if it's GA or GU, then you need to look either before or after. So look at the guide words. In our next segment, we're going to continue to look at the dictionary.